भाई बहन ने ऐसा जगह निकाला है ढूंढ के जो लोकल गाइड को भी नहीं पता. इट्स ट्रूली अ हिडन जेम. केव तो मिल गया मुझे इधर पर मेरी गाइड की फट गई है तो वो बोल रहा है मैं नहीं आऊँगा क्योंकि दिख रहा है आपको केव, ये केव है, इसमें उसको नहीं जाना है. तो मैंने अभी लोकल गांव वाले को ढूंढा है और बोला है तू चलेगा क्योंकि मैं किसी ना किसी को लेके जा रही हूँ और मैं जाके रहूँगी. So here I am after having one hell of an adventure in Kawasan, Badian. If you've not checked out that vlog, go ahead. What are you waiting for? But yeah, I was headed to Moalboal, which is about an hour away, feeling like a main character at the back of a bike. Here I am riding next to the blue sea. Here we are having adobo. This is
Hello.
chicken, pork adobo.
Yeah. Vegetable.
Yeah. So let's see how it is.
Vegetable.
So tender.
Tender.
Yeah, ma'am.
Delicious.
Delicious. I would like the vegetable.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. So the ride from Badian to Moalboal is about an hour, but the views are so pretty. You'd wish that it was longer. So we have reached from Badian to Moalboal. Hello. Bye bye Moalboal. The water is so blue and crystal clear. That is Moalboal. We are here to see the turtles and the sardine run. Look at this. This is my life. I'm so happy. Now I am going to go for a sardine run and maybe chill with some turtles. I feel like I am Moana. I wish I could stay like this forever, man. I really wish I could stay like this forever.
Cherry.
Just chilling with the beautiful sea right next to me. So here I am with Jazz. He is going to help me with sardines, and he's also going to take my pictures and turtles. So he'll help me see all of those things. Thousands, no, millions of sardines move like one body, shimmering, shifting, disappearing and reappearing like underwater magic. And the wildest part, you don't need a boat, not even a scuba gear, just a mask and some courage. And it's okay if you don't know how to swim, because even I'm not the best swimmer. I love floating around in the sea, but honestly, if the high currents hit me up, I will perish, I'm sure. So I took a guide along with me and she helped me swim. She pushed me and helped me swim amidst this school of fish, and honestly I felt like Nemo. You know that scene where he gets stuck in that bait ball? That is exactly how I felt, and I was like so happy. I could not believe that me, a human, is getting to experience this. I just saw millions and millions of sardines swimming down. It was surreal. It felt like the sun shining against the silver sardines. This is also another experience. If you're a sea lover, you should definitely come to the Philippines, come to Moalboal and come here. Yeah, so we just saw a massive turtle and there are a couple of people there. Once they clear up, I'm going to go and say hi to that turtle again. It is so magical. For this, you don't even have to know how to swim. The turtles come so close to the shore, like you could be standing at the shore and there would be a turtle next to you. And it was a magical experience once again. I was this close to the turtle, and then there was a little fish that I saw. They were playing around. I also saw the turtle just brush off its back. I cannot believe I saw all of this in the last half an hour. Changing, it is life changing. Come here, but respect the wildlife. Don't touch the turtles. Okay, so I just got done with the sardine run and the turtle watching. Now we are going to a cave nearby. So the cave, even he is a local and he doesn't know where the cave is. That means I've explored a true undiscovered gem, and I'm going to show him also around. I have not seen it, I've just heard about it. So I hope it does not disappoint me.
Come on. Unahan boss, dira. Tumoy. Oh. Ang cave na muna sa cave.
Let's go and find this cave which is in walking distance. जो मेरा गाइड ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहा है, अब मैं उससे ढूंढवाऊंगी और खुद भी ढूंढूंगी ऑब्वियसली, और देखते हैं क्या है केव में जो मुझे नहीं मिल रहा. And we are trying to find. Hi. Hey, say hi.
Hello, Mom.
Hello. How many kids do you have?
5.
5 kids, and you're alone, single mom.
This one.
She washes clothes and.
Yeah, I do washing clothes sometimes.
Bye bye, Trixie. Bye
I hope
bye.
before you leave your last day, you come back here.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Thank you.
So we are lost, but we are trying to find a goddamn cave that I just heard about. Not seen pictures, so I don't know what it looks like. I know nothing about it. We're just going to go there and discover. After looking for the cave for about 20 minutes, we lost hope and were about to return until we found this house and the man showed us the way.
I'm scared.
Yes, I will go. I saw the cave. Kanmani.
Huh?
Is it allowed to go down?
It's okay. It's okay, ma'am. Taking a picture.
Lived here. Does this island have no snakes? Okay. Bats? Maybe. Okay.
I let
Oh.
him know.
Very steep. Okay, we made it to the cave. It is a hidden gem because. Oh. It's just a little cave with nothing around.
Little kid.
Yeah. Yeah. So I found the cave, but my guide is a little scared of coming down there. So I'm going to take a local village man with me to go, because I'm going to go. So he's going to show me around.
Nakaiwan? Wala na ko. Ada
Ah?
ko. Okay. Your head.
So here we are going to an unexplored cave in Bantayan, which has 0 tourists, and I had to bribe a villager to take me.
You be careful.
Yeah, bribe per se, but like, okay. Oh, how big is this cave? This is it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Is it deep?
Not big.
Not deep. Okay.
Your head.
Wow.
Okay, good.
Okay. It's not deep. I've never swam in a cave before.
Yeah.
I've never swam in a cave before. And I have discovered this hidden gem. I'm so proud of myself. Ooh, the water is fresh. It's fresh water. No, it's not fresh
It's
water.
the creaking
Yeah.
of the sea.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Go swim.
It's scary.
Yeah, no. We need people swimming there.
There is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where is it? Yeah. See, there is a crustacean. I was skeptical about swimming at first, but I discovered that swimming in a cave can also be fun. So yay! Saw the cave and it was so worth it. Chills. Maza aa gaya par. Now the caves are done, now I'm happy. So now we'll go to Lumbak Beach. Arnel did not come. Arnel ditched on me.
I'm scared.
Arnel got
of
scared.
cave
There were little shrimps.
because I didn't know the place. That's why.
That is exactly why you should go, Arnel. You should go to explore.
I'm watch your video.
Yeah, but in Arnel's defense, he's going to be a father, so he has to be more careful.
Oh, careful. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
It is in the middle of nowhere. Okay. And then there you have Arnel acting all silly. Cave जाके आई मैं और it was fun. It was fun. I like doing things like this. Like a hi. Hi. What's your name? What's your name?
Kasi nga naman dahil.
What's your name?
Kasi nga naman.
Pixie. Your name is Pixie. Trixie. So after I said bye to Trixie and her family, it was time to hit the road again. And honestly, the roads here are so much better than the capital, Manila. They're cleaner, the views are scenic. I was living my best Moana lifestyle. I did not want to go back at all. So here we are at Lambok Beach. It's a good place. Yet another blue beach that the Philippines has. Very beautiful.
No people?
No people, nobody around. It's in Badian. Is it Badian or Badian?
Badian.
Badian.
Yeah.
This girl I met in Bantayan call it Badian. Okay. Save turtles, don't use straw. You can just have a coconut.
Good?
Like this. It tastes here.
Good dish.
Good taste. Try chicharron. I'm having chicharron and coconut. Nice. Like nice crispy dippers. What else do I need? I have this. I have coconut water. And there's a beautiful beach right in front of me. So here I am at Badian. It is Lumbak Beach. I'm going for a swim and I will show you the sunset. The sand is white. There is white sand and I will take you running. One of the best part about solo traveling is I can be a silly little girl, run around at the beach or the hills and make new friends. Like I befriended this little dog. Hi, come on, let's run from the sun. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Dog in the sea with me. Jump, 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 jump here. Good boy, good boy. So this beach is a little rocky. It has a lot of seaweed as you can see. I meditated a little and then I met these people. They were just chilling and we decided to chill together and now we are dancing in the ocean.
Hello.
Hello. Loitering around in the sea with my new friends, it was time to bid adieu to them because the sun was bidding adieu to us. And as promised, here's the sunset. It was a beautiful sunset, a perfect end to a perfect day. Barbecue from this place. Yummy. Chicken barbecue, sunset, beach. What else do I need? There's a dog also. Literally, what else do I need? And there I was on the road again. The last bike ride in Badian. I headed back to my hostel to get my bags so that I can take a bus to Oslo and swim with some whale sharks. Is Maui.
Hello. Hello, everybody.
He created this beautiful place. I stayed here.
And I almost create this beautiful lady.
He also has a tiny dog. He's so cute. Very hospitable. So if you're in Badian, please come to Maui's place.
You will be welcome here.
Yes. Here I am in the middle of the road again with a backpack because I am going to Oslo. And it's 6:30. I'm just waiting for a bus. Once I get the bus, I will go to Oslo and we will see in the next vlog tomorrow that how big the sharks are.